Hey everyone, if your hips feel tight and you've been holding on to stress, this gentle practice will help you release tension, feel more open, and at ease in your body. This hip opening practice is perfect if you've been sitting all day or just need to unwind. First, let's begin to soften the hips. Go ahead and lie down on your back. Bend your knees. Extend your left leg out. Bring your knee up. And let's do some gentle circles. Rotating the hip. Doing a gentle, nice warm up here. You may also bend your left knee just to have some comfort in your lower back. Good. Again, my name is Shirkendra. I'm a certified yoga teacher. I help women build confidence and movement and how to live your lifestyle. Good. Let's reverse. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today, taking some time out for yourself, helping yourself feel good, and opening up those hips, releases tension through the entire body. Very nice. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. If you're returning, again, welcome back to my channel. Move at your own pace. There's no rush. Very nice. Good. Straighten out that leg. Extend it, give it a little stretch. And go ahead and bend at the knee. Extend your left leg out. Bend at the knee and go ahead and do circles on your left side. Good. Remember to breathe in and out through your nose. This is a great warm up for our hips today. We hold and carry a lot in that area, especially women. Good. And let's reverse. Bend that knee up and extend that leg out. Very nice. Let's do 4 more here. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Extend that leg out. Bring both knees up towards your chest. Hug your knees into your chest. And let's gently sway from side to side. Extend your legs up. Flex your feet. Bend at the knee. Grab the outer side of your feet for a happy baby pose. And let's gently rock from side to side. This is great for opening up the hips, releasing tension. This is a great stretch for the entire body. This is also opening up your lower back, getting that circulation going, warming up the body here. Good. Continue to breathe. Relax your shoulders. You'll also feel a stretch in your arms as well. Happy baby puts a smile on our face. Good. Nice job. Bring your knees together. Place your feet on the floor. Place your right knee up. Place your foot on your left knee. Lift your left foot off the mat. Clasp your hands around the back of your hamstring for a figure 4. Continue to breathe through the stretch. Try to relax your face. If you do feel this is a little too strenuous, you may lower your foot to the mat and then gently press against the inner part of your thigh or of your knee. And you'll still get a nice stretch within the inside of your hips, stretching out those hip flexors and also opening up your lower back as well. So that's also a modification. Let's hold this here just for a few moments. Continuing to breathe in and out through your nose. Each time we inhale, we're breathing in confidence and exhaling out anything that no longer serves us. Good. Very nice. Inhale and exhale. Good. Lower your foot. Let's switch legs. Left foot over right knee. Lift your right leg up and clasp your hands behind your thigh. Good. Very nice. Do a gentle rock from side to side, or you may stay still. Be proud of yourself today. Inhale and exhale. Good. Release. Very nice. Gently put your feet down to the floor. Keep your knees bent. Bring your heels as close as you can to your glutes. And let's lift up for a few bridges here. So lift up, squeeze your thighs, squeeze your buttocks, and feel that stretch here right in the front of your hips. Good. Slowly release. Exhale. Very nice. Inhale, slowly lift up. Good. And exhale down. Very nice. Let's do 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. This is also beneficial for your knees, also your back, and your stomach as well. Good. Release. You may cross your ankles and gently rock from side to side. Very nice. And roll to the side, and you may come up. Wonderful job. Very nice. Thank you all so much for joining me today. You did a wonderful job. I hope that your hips feel a little bit more open, release some of that tension so you can go ahead and feel great through your entire body. Please feel free to check out my latest videos. You may also check out my resources in the description below where you can join my email list. Also download my free 5-day gentle yoga guide. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed